Okay. Show me the front of this book. I'll read the story. You help me. Show me where to start reading. Where do I begin to read? I walked up the hill, looking up and down. Show me where to start. Which way do I go?
That way.
Where do I go after that?
That way.
Yeah, where do I go after that?
That way.
You show me.
This way.
And where do I go after that?
This
Yeah, when I get to here, where do I go after that?
This one and that way.
Okay. And where do I go after that?
That way and then that way.
Okay. Point to it while I read. I saw a bird in the tree and stones on the ground.
Start here.
Show me the first part of the story. Show me the last part of the story. The last part of the story. I kicked a big stone. It rolled this way and that. Show me the bottom of the picture.
You put it upside down on accident. Hey. You start reading here.
Where do I begin?
Here.
Which way do I go?
That way.
Where do I go after that?
That way and that way.
I pushed it and pushed it, over and over. What's wrong with this? I swung back my foot and kicked it very hard. What's wrong with this?
I kicked it. So the I needs to be there and the and needs to be there. You did it wrong.
Where do I start reading? Yeah, where?
Here.
What's wrong with this page? Then I stood on my toes and I watched.
Just read this top part. I don't really get to know that one.
Then I stood on my toes and I watched.
The my is missing. I. You start reading.
Okay. What's wrong on this page? The
Nothing.
stone rolled down the hill, bumping this way and that. Would it stop by the gate or go on to the bend?
It will keep on rolling.
Okay. What's wrong with the writing on this page? Would that stone roll on to the house with the swing or down to the flowers that are yellow? What's wrong with the writing on this page?
They used the capital letter. Is that a capital or lowercase?
What's this for?
because it's a question. It's a question mark. And another question mark.
Then I called, "Stop, stop, big stone. The water will be deep." "What's this for?"
To stop reading because there's no more.
"What's this for?"
I forgot.
Okay. "What's this for?"
It's all the same. I forgot what they're called. Are they called commas?
Can you find a little letter like this?
Here.
Can you find a little letter like this? A little letter like this.
Right here.
Can you find a little letter? A little letter like this.
No.
A little letter like this. Look carefully.
My eyes are pointing that way. I can't.
Okay. On went the stone till it plopped in the pool. I ran quickly. All I saw was the green still water, and oh, no stone. Show me was.
Here. What was? Oh no. Right here. Mum.
Show me no.
Right here.
The stone rolled down the hill.
The stone rolled down the hill.
The story says the stone rolled down the hill. I want you to push the cards across the story like this until all you can see is just one letter.
Yeah.
Okay, pull them apart. Show me two letters. Okay, pull them apart. Show me one word.
Okay.
Pull them apart. Show me two words. Pull them apart. Show me the first letter of a word. Pull them apart. Show me the last letter of a word. Pull them apart. Show me a capital letter. Pull them apart. Okay.
what are we going on to now?
Okay, we're going to look at your letters. What do you call these?
Letters.
Can you find some that you know?
P, W, Z, Z, R.
What's this one?
Ah.
What's this one?
K, D, W.
What's this one?
P, W, Z, D, H, A, J, A, K, Y, O. K, Y, O. O, D, D, I, G.
What's this one?
I said R.
What's this one?
G, G, R, K, A, K, W, D, H, A, J, A, K, Y, 1, P, D, I, E, G, R, G. That was nice and quick.
What's this word?
This
Okay.
is
What's this word?
I, Mar.
This word?
Ran. Here. My. O. E. A. And. W. It. K. Car. Cat. K. H. I. Order in. Help. Arch. Dot. To. Eat. Av. Eat.